He knows your sins, now the game begins. I wish you well, enjoy the carousel from hell. Russian roulette, I bet you won't forget not to take your life for granted. Now your life has expanded, and you can thank him for giving you that knowledge. Now you can spread your wings, reborn from the bondage. Just follow the rules, use the tools, follow his instructions, or face your destruction. If you want to escape this maze, then you'll have to play his twisted games. I know it's really frightful, freeze you to death like an icicle. Here comes Billy on his bicycle tricycle. Solve the puzzle, expand your life cycle. You're filled with anger and rage. Will you break free from your cage? Will you cut off your own leg? Will you ever escape from his game? He loves to watch you struggle, reverse bear trap on your face like a muzzle. Insert the chains into your pectoral muscles. Win the game, solve the puzzle. His name is John Kramer, now you're in danger. Filled with anger, in a cage made of razors. Stay still if you truly want to die, but you'll have to struggle if you want to survive.